accounting. So, ang accounting daw is the language of the business. And it is also the process of identifying, measuring, communicating, and communicating economic information of an entity to users. So, accounting daw is the language of the business and the process of identifying, measuring, and communicating economic information of an entity to users. So, ito, mamaya hihimay-himayin natin itong definition ng accounting. So, mapunta tayo sa basic accounting model. So, when we say basic accounting model, ito yung tinatawag nating si assets ay equal sa liabilities plus owner's equity. Itong assets, liabilities, and owner's equity, may kita to sa balance sheet. So, ano ba yung balance sheet? So, yung balance sheet, isa to sa mga financial statements. When we say financial statements, ito yung financial statements. So, we have the balance sheet. So, ito, balance sheet, income statement, owner's equity, statement of changes in equity, statement of changes in equity, statement of cash flows, and notes to financial statements. Yan, shortcut na lang. So, itong assets, liabilities, and owner's equity may kita sa balance sheet. So, ang balance sheet ay isa sa mga financial statements. Okay. So, ano ba yung assets? So, when we say assets, ito yung pag-aari. Ito yung ownership ng isang negosyo or yung tinatawag nating resources. So, ito yung asset. Ito yung ari-arian ni business. So, when we say liabilities, ito naman yung utang or yung obligation ni company or ni business. Ang owner's equity naman, ito yung tinatawag nating capital. So, may apat na transactions na nakaka-apekto sa owner's equity. So, we have the investment. So, kapag nagkaroon daw ng investment, nag-i-increase yung owner's equity. Kapag nagkaroon ng withdrawal for personal use, nababawasan yung owner's equity. Kapag nagkaroon ng revenue, ibig sabihin, tumataas si owner's equity, at kapag may expenses, bumababa yung owner's equity. So, for example, meron kang negosyo. Nag-open ka noong January 1. So, for example, nag-open ka negosyo noong January 1. Tapos, noong December 31, nung katapusan, kailangan mo mag-generate ng reports. So, yung reports na yun, ito yung tinatawag nating financial statements. So, bakit natin kailangan mag-prepare ng financial statements? So, dito kasi may kita kung maganda ba yung naging performance ni business. kung kumikita pa ba, kumusta ba yung cash flow, maganda ba yung performance ni business, o ganyan. So, assets, liabilities, and owner's equity, ibig sabihin daw, kapag pinagsama si liabilities at owner's equity, ayan yung kabuuang assets ni business. Okay. So, balik tayo sa definition ng accounting. Accounting daw is a process of identifying, measuring, communicating economic information. So, when we say economic information, ito yung accountable events. So, accountable events, ito yung mga nire-record. So, paano ba natin masasabi na yung isang event ay accountable? So, kapag naapektuhan yung assets, or yung liabilities, or yung owner's equity, ibig sabihin, accountable event yon. And meron din tinatawag na common monetary unit. So, sa bansa natin, nagtayo ka negosyo. So, ang common monetary unit natin is Philippine peso. Okay. So, okay, economic information ay accountable event. So, accountable event, ito yung nakakapekto sa asset, liabilities, and owner's equity. So, accounting daw is the process of identifying economic information. So, when we say identifying, so dito malalaman, or dito yung process ng recognition or non-recognition. Recognition or non-recognition. So, ano daw yung i-recognize natin? Yung accountable events. Ano yung accountable events? Yun yung makaka-apekto sa asset, liabilities, and owner's equity. So, accounting daw is the process of measuring economic information. So, paano ba natin mini-measure? So, sa accounting, ang common monetary unit na natin is Philippine peso, di ba? Monetary unit natin is Philippine peso. Actually, sa measuring, meron pa tayong tinatawag dyan ng mga historical costs. Although, may-encounter nyo naman to sa higher accounting subjects na historical costs. Meron din tayong tinatawag na current costs, or kaya realizable value. Tapos meron ding present value. So, ma-encounter nyo pa naman yan sa iba nyong subject, sa higher accounting subject. So, when we say communicating is the recording, classifying, and summarizing accountable events. So, communicating those, the recording, classifying, and summarizing accountable events into financial statements. So, paano ba mabubutong financial statements? So, meron tayong tinatawag na accounting cycle. So, ito yung steps sa accounting cycle. Okay, so, hihimay-himayin pa naman natin yan. So, kapag ginawa mo daw tong buong accounting cycle, makakabuo tayo ng financial statements. So, okay. So, yung accounting daw process of identifying, measuring, communicating economic information of an entity to users. So, sino ba itong mga users na to? Itong mga users, ito yung may interest sa financial statement. So, sino ba yung mga may interest sa financial statement? So, we have the owner. So, si owner gusto niya malaman kung maayos ba yung performance ng negosyo niya. So, we also have the suppliers. Actually, sa negosyo kasi, common kasi yung pagpapautang. So, for example, sa negosyo ko, before ako supplyan ni supplier, so titignan niya financial statements ko. Kasi baka hindi naman pala ako nakakabayad ng utang, tapos susuplayan niya pa ako. So, baka hindi lang din ako makabayad, baka ganun isipin ni supplier, diba? So, isa siya sa may interest sa financial statements. And ilan pa sa mga user nito, we also have the stakeholders, investors, banks. So, syempre, kapag nakita nila yung financial statements mo, iisipin ng mga investors, stakeholders, kung maganda pang mag-invest sa negosyo mo. Kasi baka naman hindi maganda performance sa negosyo mo, tapos mag-invest pa kami sa company mo. So, ganyan.